OpenSea versus Nifty Gateway. Which one is a better NFT platform for you to sell, buy, and create your NFTs? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am comparing OpenSea with Nifty Gateway, and we will figure out which one of these platforms is better for you to sell and buy NFTs. So let's get started. First, we have OpenSea.io. OpenSea.io is an open platform where you can find almost all type of NFTs, whether it's art, music, or collectibles and trading as well. On the other hand, NiftyGateWay.com is also an amazing platform where you can actually find art related and different trading cards as well. The gaming and sports NFTs are one of the very famous niches on Nifty Gateway. So let's get into these platforms and let's check out how these platforms actually work. At first, we are going to be checking out OpenSea.io. On OpenSea.io, it's super easy, and OpenSea.io is actually more famous than Nifty Gateway. But both of these platforms are actually, out there. If you are into NFTs, if you buy and create NFTs, then you definitely know about OpenSea and Nifty Gateway as well. So when it comes to the marketplace, in the Explore of OpenSea.io, you will find all NFTs, new, art, music, domain names, virtual worlds, trading cards, collectibles, sports, and utility. And trading cards, that's actually one of the coolest thing about OpenSea.io, that it allows you to have your own assets in your crypto wallet, and you can actually do trading as well. And the OpenSea has the marketplace where you can actually find a variety of NFTs, and all the different creators are, and all of the different buyers. If you are ordinary person, if you are you have just signed up for OpenSea, you can actually buy your NFT. There is no process for that and no complication for you. On Nifty Gateway, you will find all of these amazing artists. You can actually check out their live auctions from here, and you can actually go ahead and check out the different auctions that are happening right now. And when it comes to pricing, Nifty Gateway actually has some of the very expensive NFTs and very rich buyers as well, because they are buying these NFTs, right? And you can check out their recent drops right here, and you will be able to check out all of the amazing creators and their creations here. The most famous NFTs are found here, and you will be able to check out their pricing. You can check out, like, this one is $39,000 and this one is $2,000. The very expensive NFTs are found here. You can see these are actually for $4,000. On the other hand, on OpenSea, you can actually find free NFTs as well. There are NFTs for maybe $10 as well. Okay, let me show you. You can actually go to Explore and all NFTs, and you can actually find free NFTs as well on auction. People actually go ahead. If I filter it out for minimum 0 and maximum 0 and apply, you will actually see now these NFTs will be actually very low, almost 0. You can see this one is free. So you can see right here that this NFT is completely free, and it is a verified one. The price is 0 Ethereum. So that means it's 0. You can see right, this one is open for bids, and someone has bid $0, so you can go ahead and do that as well. So on OpenSea, it's a very as I said, it's an open platform, right? So you will be able to find all of these very cheap NFTs as well. Look at this one. This one is also 0, 0.2, 0.0001, almost 0. So you can see, you can actually check out and find very cheap NFTs on OpenSea, and the creators, anybody can put up their NFTs, and that's a good thing about OpenSea. On Nifty Gateway, on the other hand, there are free NFTs as well, like cheap ones, but these are difficult to find. You will actually have to search for them. you can see right here, this is the marketplace for NiftyGateway.com. You can check out. It's actually pretty good looking website, and very digital and modern NFTs are actually found here. And when I am looking for NFTs that are actually digital related and more like digital art, then you can come to Nifty Gateway. But that does not mean that OpenSea does not have digital art, because one of the very famous programs, most of the famous programs are actually found on OpenSea. For example, the CryptoPunks, and let me show you. If we go to stats and ranking, you will actually see on OpenSea all of the famous programs. For example, the Sandbox, CryptoPunks, and Cool Cats NFT. These programs are very famous and they're all on OpenSea. So that's why OpenSea is very famous, and when it comes to selling NFTs, it's one of the best platforms out there. And then NiftyGateway.com, there are also different programs on Nifty Gateway as well. So you will see, check this NFT out. This one is the 9,980. If I open it up, you will get the view how NFT looks when we open it up on Nifty Gateway. And let's just compare these two. Let me open an NFT on OpenSea as well. So let me show you a view that how NFTs actually look when we open them up. So I have opened this NFT on NiftyGateway.com, and then I opened this one on OpenSea.io to show you how the look of NFT actually is, how these NFT you can actually buy them, and how does it looks. So this is NiftyGateway.com, and this is the NFT. This is the look of it. You can see the name right here, 5 editions created. The creator's name is shown here, the collection name, release date. Original listing was 500, and now last sold, this one is actually sold, and this was sold for $3,000. So that's actually pretty amazing. The NFT, look at this one, it's so adorable. I don't know why, but it's super cool looking NFT, right? And I think the price is fair enough. After that, you can actually check out the what happened, the history. Then you can check out the listings. There are 2 more, and the list price is right here, and it's now more expensive. Actually, the last one was sold for this one, but these are actually more expensive ones, and you can actually make an offer if you want to. If you want to buy now, you simply click here. So you can see the buy now option is not shown here for this one because it is sold. And then you can actually check out from this collection more of the NFTs from this collection, and you can check out their editions as well. For example, this one has 1 edition, 25 editions this one, and then 10 editions for this one, and the pricing is given right here. The OpenSea, the view, actually both of these actually have kind of like same view, but on OpenSea you actually get different stats as well. For example, you can check out the name right here, owned by, the owner name. This one is open for auction, so you are seeing the date here. The price is given in Ethereum as well, 0.06, and in dollars right here. Buy now, make offer, and then you actually see the price history here as well. This one does not have any, but you actually see the Ethereum price on OpenSea when you open any NFT. Then there are different properties and about the collection if you want to check out the description. After that, the same view as we get on Nifty Gateway, more from this collection, and you will be able to check out more of NFTs from this collection. If you want to view the collection, you simply can click right here on view collection, and it will take you to the collection page on Nifty Gateway. If I want to see all from, okay, you can see you actually go to the collection by the creator's name, and if I click on see all this creator's NFTs, they will take me to his collection, his or her collection, and I can then check out different NFTs by them or more than one collection that they have. So this is how it works on OpenSea. I must say the collection names and the NFT name is more important than the creator's name. It is important. You will see the creator's name right here. If you want to check check out the creator, you will click right here. But on Nifty Gateway, we actually see the creator first and their profile. We can check out the artist, and then we can actually check out their different collections as well. This is a pretty good looking collection that they have, different editions. So very nice. If you like an artist, you can just simply, go ahead and follow them, and then keep track of their NFTs. And I think I'm gonna keep track of this artist right here because these are actually pretty amazing ones. So this is how OpenSea and Nifty Gateway perform when it comes to buying and selling. If we talk about different policies, so on OpenSea, seller has to pay the transaction fee first time, buyer has to pay every time they will buy. But the good thing about OpenSea is that if you are selling NFTs, you don't have to pay the transaction fee every time. This is a good thing. On Nifty Gateway is similar. The gas fee, the transaction fee will be cut every time you buy or sell NFTs. The gas fee depends on that day, what is the price for gas fee for that NFT or on that particular day. So we cannot just say that this is the gas fee on this platform or on that platform. It totally depends on the day because it varies within seconds. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you have an idea about OpenSea.io and NiftyGateway.com. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.